Ajax Argo 4300 Maintenance Guide. General framework for machinery/vehicles. Routine daily checks. Visual inspection. Check for leaks, oil, coolant, hydraulic fluid. Inspect tires/tracks for wear or damage. Ensure lights, indicators and safety signs are functional. Fluid levels. Engine oil, coolant, hydraulic fluid, brake fluid and windshield washer fluid. Top up if necessary using manufacturer-recommended fluids. Battery. Check terminals for corrosion and secure connections. Weekly/monthly maintenance. Oil and filter changes. Replace engine oil and filters per the manufacturer's interval, e.g. every 200 plus 500 hours of operation. Air filters. Clean or replace air filters to ensure proper airflow, critical for engines in dusty environments. Lubrication. Grease all fittings, chassis, joints, bearings, with high-temperature grease. Brake system. Inspect brake pads, discs and fluid levels. Test parking brake functionality. Tire/wheel maintenance. Pressure check and adjust tire pressure to recommended PSI. Rotation. Rotate tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, if applicable. Alignment. Inspect for uneven wear and realign if needed. Battery care. Clean terminals with baking soda and water to prevent corrosion. Test voltage monthly, ideal 12.6 V for a fully charged battery. Recharge or replace if voltage drops below 12.4 V. Cooling system. Inspect radiator/coolant reservoir for debris or leaks. Replace coolant every 2 to 3 years, or per manual. Check hoses for cracks and clamps for tightness. Exhaust system. Check for cracks, rust or leaks in the exhaust manifold and pipes. Monitor for unusual smoke, blue, white or black, during operation. Belts and hoses. Inspect timing belts, serpentine belts and hoses for wear/cracks. Replace belts every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, or as specified. Seasonal maintenance. Winter. Use antifreeze coolant. Install winter tires or chains. Check heater/defroster systems. Summer. Ensure AC system is charged. Monitor engine temperature for overheating. Professional servicing. Schedule annual inspections by certified technicians. Perform diagnostic scans for error codes, for modern electronic systems. Calibrate sensors, hydraulics or specialized components. Record keeping. Log all maintenance tasks, parts replaced and fluid changes. Track hours of operation/mileage for scheduling future service. Engine won't start, dead battery, faulty starter, jumpstart, test alternator. Overheating, low coolant, clogged radiator, refill coolant flush system. Unusual noises, worn belts, loose components, inspect belts, tighten bolts. Hydraulic system failure, leaks, low fluid, check hoses, refill hydraulic fluid. Final notes. Always use genuine or OEM recommended parts. Refer to the official Ajax Argo 4300 manual for model-specific tolerances, torque specs, and warnings. For complex repairs, E.G transmission ECU, rely on certified technicians.